Well, hello and welcome to Juice Break on Lunch Break Live. This is the Juice Gurus coming at you. We're going to take these 3 simple ingredients today, just 3 simple ingredients, and we're going to make one of the most delicious, nutritious, and awesomely beautiful juices you could have to grace your holiday table this year. We're going to whip it up for you now on Lunch Break Live.
So let's see what we got. We got the Slow Star juicer here, right? Coming around?
Yeah. Okay.
Remember the plan?
Yeah, I'm going to come around.
Did you forget the plan? You totally didn't deliver the plan, so let's go back to plan B.
All right.
Hello, hi guys, it's so great. I'm Steve Prusek, Juice Guru. Hey Juan. I'm the author of The Completed Guide to Juice Fasting. Together we wrote Juice Guru, Transform Your Life. Oh, it's coming through backwards, but you guys will see it when Julie goes around. So who are
That's
you?
right. I'm Julie Prusek.
It's a juice party. I want to get it going because this is one of my favorite juices, right, babe?
Yep, it's called the Lemon Drop, and you're going to love it. And I'm going to turn this camera around, and let's get started.
I like to say,
Steve.
boom. It is. It's called the Lemon Drop, and it was in my first book. I talked about it because it reminded me of those lemon drop candies we used to have when we were kids. Remember those? But the funny thing is, like Julie said, there isn't any lemon in this juice. But it tastes like a lemon drop candy. And I mean candy, right, babe?
That's right. Now show us what we've got and how we're going to prep it today.
Well, we got the pineapple, right? Okay, and we're going to prep it by cutting off the head.
Okay. Off with its head.
All right, let's just do that. Okay, just like that, nothing to it. And so basically the way I like to do this, I cut off the bottom too. You guys getting a view? Who's checking in with us, Julie? Where were you hanging out? By the way, we're in Redondo Beach, California, making it real here. We're right down the street from Jane. We love you, Jane, right, babe?
We love you, Jane.
And there's a reason I'm so hyper today, Julie. I'll tell you why.
Okay, please tell us why, Steve, because you're on day 5 of something really big. What
Right,
are you
I'm on a juice cleanse right now. This is my 5th day drinking nothing but juice because I wanted to drop some weight, feel better, energized, brain fog cleared up, everything. That's why I'm doing it, and totally recommend it. I'm really excited about this juice cleanse, Julie.
Yeah, I want to say hi to some people who are saying hi to us. Bhakta Khan, hi. Sue, hey, how you doing? Kishan, nice to see you all.
Shaboom.
Welcome to the Juice Guru Kitchen, and we are prepping what we're calling the Lemon Drop. It is 3 simple ingredients, and we're going to show you how beautiful it is and how you can put it on your holiday table. And meanwhile, Steve is showing you how to prep the first ingredient, which is your delicious pineapple.
And I was saying, you know, it's great to take a break from food every now and then. We love eating our vegan meals, but every now and then I need to take a break and just give my body a chance to, get the toxins out. And it's a toxic world out there, as we all know. So every now and then it's good to just give your body a break and do a juice cleanse. Anybody out there ever do one? And type in below if you have. I'm interested to hear. And if you haven't, well, we've got an idea. We've got a free cleanse we can give you. So that's all included in the price of this video, right, Julie?
We've got Terry saying looks good and healthy.
Look at this.
We've got Sabrina saying hi, and we've
Hey,
got
hey.
Lamont saying hi.
Whoa.
And Kishan
Thanks,
saying
guys.
nice and great. Awesome. So let's see how
Look at
you're
this.
cutting that
How
up.
does that look? I mean, look at that. Can you guys see how juicy that is? Oh my God, that is, and I could smell it. It's just permeating right through there. Bam!
Yeah, this is a very nice ripe pineapple. You can find them. And pineapple is one of those that is actually on the Clean 15. Right, Steve?
That's right, Julie. We're typically going organic when it comes to making juice because we're getting everything out, all the nutrients. We don't want the chemicals. We don't want the pesticides and fertilizers and herbicides and chemicals in our juice. So yeah, this is on the Clean 15, so we're okay with that. The grapes aren't though, Julie, as you might know.
Right. The grapes, in fact, are one of the ones you definitely want to get organic because they have very thin skins and they're going to absorb up all those chemicals.
Now, Julie asked me before, she's like, okay, are you going to juice the vine? And typically we would, but I was like, Julie, well, it depends. What kind of condition is the vine in? And this is pretty old. So if you're looking at a fresh vine, definitely juice it. But if it's old, we're going to just stay away from it. We're going to just juice. Look at this. the grapes.
Look how beautiful that color is, brimming with antioxidants.
I'm almost shaking. When we're dealing with living food like this and we're ready to get it into our body, I couldn't be more excited. And so the next thing is, I've cut this up. We're using the Slow Star juicer from TriBest. We love this juicer. It's real easy to clean. Day-to-day juicer, great starter juicer. And but the chute is a little thin. So Julie, what I'm going to do here, and friends, not just Julie, because you, who's in our kitchen with us, I'm going to go ahead and cut this. You see that?
Yep. You want to make sure it fits through your juicer really nice and well and easy.
Isn't that right? Isn't that true?
Uh-huh.
See, I'm using a ceramic knife too. Another great tip from the Juice Guru Kitchen. We like to use ceramic knives. That way our vegetables and fruit aren't going to oxidize quite as readily, as we like to say.
That's right.
So ceramic is the way to go for that. And they're really sharp and they last a long time. I think we're good with that. Now comes...
What's the third ingredient, Steve?
What do we got? Who's going to type it in? Basically, did anyone type it in yet?
Right out of the ground.
Look at this. I want to show you how moist it is.
I could hear it when you pulled it apart and it made that delicious sound. That is
the smell.
That is a very
Can you smell it?
I can smell it. Can you guys smell it? Let us know.
They don't have that on internet yet? Well, maybe they will one day.
Coming
and Julie,
soon.
One thing we have to be careful of when we're shopping for ginger when you're at the local health food store is you want to make sure it's fresh. So many times I'll get it home and I'll break it open and it's all dried out. You want to make sure it's real moist like that. So when you're at the store and you're looking, just break off a little bit and just make sure that that big piece of ginger you're getting looks like that. And I mean really moist, yellow, shiny, and dreamy.
It is dreamy. My dreamy man making a dreamy juice.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to be lemon dropping out.
That sounds good to me.
Some of the great things about what these three ingredients, first of all three of these ingredients are very, they're great with inflammation. They're very anti-inflammatory. So if you've got any skin problems, if you've got arthritis, if you've got really any kind of chronic illness, this is a fantastic juice for you to be drinking. We've also got the ginger in particular is very anti-inflammatory, but all three combined are a special kind of juice.
See, all that, and she's so smart too. Well, don't worry, we'll get her on camera so you can see what I mean by that.
Oh, look, ginger and turmeric. That's right. Who said that?
Turmeric, actually, there's no turmeric here.
No turmeric, just ginger.
Just ginger.
We've got beautiful grapes in that bowl, Judith is saying, looking very delightful.
Isn't it though?
Wait till you see what the juice looks like and how easy it is. So we're all about ease.
Oh my gosh.
Right? How we're all about ease also at Juice Guru. Wait, let me put up the camera so you can see that. We're all about ease at Juice Guru too. So this is a 3-ingredient, easy to make, and one of the easiest to use juicers. And you can whip this up for your entire holiday table, all your friends, all your family. So should we get juicing?
I want to let you know, first of all, what I was doing here with this, I was taking the skin off, and it's real easy to do with the spoon. So you want to just make sure you get the skin off that way. And some people ask all the time, well, I like to juice it with the skin on. That's a preference. We find it's a little more bitter when we include the skin. So we like it as sweet as we can when it comes to this one. So we take the skin off. But that's a preference. And I do love to use the spoon. It's real easy to get the skin off, as you see there. Yeah. But yeah, Julie, I am ready to juice. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. Where's our drip cap?
It looks like it is not on it right now.
Oh, I need the drip cap.
Okay, well.
I don't know where it is.
I don't know where it is, so we will go without the drip cap. I think you can just let it spill right in.
Because that usually mixes it up nice. Oh, well.
We'll mix it.
Usually there's a drip cap on there.
We use this so much. We have loved it to death. Jeannie, Tammy, shout out to them. They both love what's going on. We've got some hearts, some heart eyes.
Okay, well, that's what love usually means. When you see a love emoji, Julie, you know that someone's happy.
Right?
I'm wondering if the plug's in there. Is the plug on?
Yes, I plugged it up.
Okay, well, let's do it. I wish you guys could smell this. I wish you could smell it's just... Pineapple is amazing.
I'm going to show you what the juice looks like coming out. That's juice. So that's what? The juice, what did the juice man always say? The juice of the fiber that feeds you. That's
right.
what you want. That is liquid gold for your body.
That's right. And so I'm putting the grapes in. Look at that. See how the color changes as we start to put the grapes in? Isn't that amazing how the colors actually change? And I was going to say that, this, Julie talked about the bromine. This is so good for digestion, the pineapple, the enzymes. That's why they'll sell they sell those pineapple drops for digestion. Nothing like this to beat a great digestive system to put this into your body right now. And we're talking fresh, cold pressed right from the juicer.
Sarah says, please share, everyone. Thank you, Sarah. Definitely want people to know what is the healthiest thing for your holiday table.
Yeah.
This holiday season, it is this juice, the lemon drop juice.
Right? When your friends come over, this is what they're going to want to drink. Okay, so Uncle Bob might want a little vodka on top, but we're saying, give them this, Uncle Bob. Uncle Bob, we want to get you juicing. We want to help you lose that weight. We want to get you to eat more plant foods, and we want to get you to go vegan, Uncle Bob, because that's the truth, right? We all know a nutrient-rich diet is the way to go, and it's all here. Mother Nature gave it to us, the fruits and vegetables from the earth, and I love this juice, Julie, because not enough of us get enough fruits and vegetables in our diet, no matter what we're eating, right?
Yes, we've got a bunch of comments on the machine. A few people are asking, what is this juicer, and where can I buy the machine?
Well, we can get you one at discount.
We're going over.
I see that.
Yeah, we can bring over. See, we have the other one over there. Why don't you get another one, and then we can mix it up a little bit.
Oh, you want to do that? Was that the plan? Yeah, let them know about the juicer.
No, the one over there underneath the other juicer.
Oh, okay.
There we go. And then I will strain it when you're done making it into that other one.
All right, then I thought we were done, but we're going to continue the juice party. But take a look at it. Oh, it looks so good to me.
And you just serve that up in your favorite, we're going to do it in some wine glasses. And you serve it up in your favorite glasses. Make it beautiful for all of your friends. So
let them know I'll give them a package if they want a juicer.
Okay, you know so why don't you tell them where they can? So this is the TriBest.
Well, I'm not really here to sell the juicers, but we're sponsored by TriBest, so I can get you the juicers, and we do family and friends pricing for everyone in our community. So basically, all you need to do is leave a comment below, and I'll shoot you a private message, and we'll get you figured out. And Jane, I've been wanting to get one for you, Jane Velez Mitchell. I'm calling Jane Velez Mitchell. Remember, we were going to get you a new juicer. I also want to get you on a juice cleanse.
That's right. Okay, Steve. Just for those of you joining us now, Steve is on day 5 of the juice cleanse.
That explains everything.
And
right?
we are juicing. We're doing what we're calling the lemon drop, even though there's not a stitch of lemon. 3 ingredients. It is grapes, red grapes, pineapple, and ginger. And with that, it's going to taste like a sucking candy, like one of those hard sucking candies. And it is one of the most cleansing juices. So I say that because we were talking about Steve being on a 5-day cleanse at this point. He's going to be going a week, right, Steve?
Oh, yeah. I'm going a week. So just going through the weekend, and then I'm breaking it. But what a great experience I've had. I've lost extra weight. I've been more productive. I'm more focused. My brain's working better. I have so much energy. And I'm doing it right. I do this 2 to 3, 4 times a year. I do a cleanse. Julie usually does it with me. This time she didn't choose to, and that's fine. You know, she'll do a cleanse when she's ready.
So I want to show the difference in the color. So this one obviously has more grape in it. So look at that beautiful purple color. And this one obviously has more of the pineapple in it. So you look at that beautiful yellow color. We're going to combine them together. Steve is going to finish up what we can.
I'm going to finish up. We've got more grapes left over, Julie, but I'm going to go ahead and let you take over the next part of this process. And check out the pulp. We'll talk a little, once Julie's here and doing her part, I'm going to let her share with you some ideas on what you can do with this pulp. And you can see, you know a good juicer when the pulp is dry, and in this juicer, it is pretty dry. I mean, there's other juicers that it could be even drier, but this does a great job, and I love this juicer.
All right.
What do you think, Julie?
Yeah, so let's do a handoff.
All right, boom.
Boom.
Look, so, there she is. I told you.
I'm going to turn this off as soon as it's done juicing, but in the meantime, I'm going to start doing the last step of all of our juicing. Now, can skip this step if you want to. We always say it's really a matter of preference, but with every juice, you're gonna see, every juicer you use, any juice, whatever fruits and vegetables you juice, you're gonna see some foam on the top, and also there's gonna be just a little bit of that really small pulp that didn't come through in the juicer. And so this is our last step because we like it really smooth.
So for those who came late, Betty Ann's asking, wow, what are you juicing? And basically this is just 3 ingredients, right, Julie?
Yeah, it's 3 ingredients. It is one of the most anti-inflammatory, one of the most delicious and cleansing juices you could have. And it's just pineapple, red grapes, and ginger. But it turns out that when you're done with it, it tastes like a hard sucking candy. It's one of the most delicious juices. Stephen obviously introduced me to this juice a long time ago, and I have loved it ever since. It's definitely been one of my faves. Now, of course, we usually like, Steve, what's our favorite juices? We usually like the green juices, right?
Yeah, which we usually do. But did we mention what we do with the fiber?
No, we didn't. You said you were going to.
No, I was saying you would.
Okay. Well, one of the things we like to do, not when we have ginger, if we're going to do ginger and do this step, then we're going to juice the ginger separately. But we'll add this pulp to our dog's dog food, which really amps it up. Also, you can dehydrate it, right, Steve? And you can make some really delicious treats out of it. If you're doing a green juice, you can always saute it with other fresh veggies. So there's a whole lot of things you can do with the pulp. Any other ideas I didn't get to, Steve?
No, I think that was good.
All right.
Terry Lynn, yes, I would love a juicer. Thank you. Yeah, just send us a message. All right. Judith, I had a pineapple mint and something else at a new place in WPB. It was good.
So I wanted to mix these two together, but you know what?
And Patricia said I made tea with the pineapple skin. Oh, that's interesting. So we can actually, that's an idea.
Oh, yeah.
Got that in right there.
There
Whoa,
you
look
go.
at all that juice right there.
And of course, anything you don't use, you can always compost and grow yourself some fresh herbs, have an herb garden, some fresh veggies in your backyard, or if you don't have a backyard, you can container garden. And it's some of the best compost you can make, obviously. Okay, so that's pretty high up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop there, and we're gonna do a little party taste testing at the end. So you just pretend that you're being served this juice too, so you can experience the flavor with us.
What I love about this juicer is it's also easy to clean. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. So there's no barrier to juicing. It doesn't have to take all day to make a fresh juice. And you can't get this from the store. This is fresh. You are the juicer. You're the juicery. You're the presser. And there's nothing like fresh, right, Julie?
That's right. Now, obviously, we don't always drink our juices in wine glasses. However, this is for holiday.
Well,
here we come.
Okay. Let me grab mine.
All right. So this is for holiday, and we want to show you how beautiful juices can be, how easy. So you just saw how easy it could be, and now how beautiful it can be so that you can use this on your holiday table. Right,
Okay,
Steve?
well, cheers to you. Have a happy holiday. It's coming. The holidays are coming, so we're just giving you some ideas before we get there. Let me try it.
Oh my God. And it's not overwhelmingly sweet. It's just absolutely perfectly delicious.
It's the perfect mix. So definitely try this. This is one to start with. And then we'll get you on the green juices. So before we close out, what portion pineapple, grapes, ginger do you use for the best taste? That's a good question. So typically, and it's in my book, but I'll tell you what we did here.
First, he's got to drink it up.
It's so good. But typically, we use a whole pineapple, and then we'll use about 4 cups of grapes, and then about 1 inch of ginger. And that makes for an amazing, amazing juice.
It's so good. So you guys can whip it up today. All you need is a juicer, those 3 basic ingredients, and you can share this too.
We love you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being in our kitchen. Thank you for bringing us your love and joy, and for the animals, for the planet. And thank you to Jane Velez Mitchell for letting us to be on Jane Unchained on Lunch Break Live. Are we out, babe?
We're out. Enjoy
Bye,
your
guys.
juice.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.